Everyone knows about Erasmus for students, but what if I told you there is a version for entrepreneurs that actually pays you to do business abroad? For example, in Singapore you can get 1,150 euro per month from European Union to do business activities. In this episode I will tell you about my program in Singapore and exact steps how to apply. In case of Asia, if you would like to start your business activities here, there is a possibility that Singapore takes part in the program Erasmus for Young Entrepreneurs. And you can take part in it if you are the citizen of European Union, and you will get 1,150 euros per month. But also it opens you some doors, because you can connect with entrepreneurs here in Singapore, which very often have also connections in different parts of Asia. You can get some support to move if you were thinking to moving to Eastern Asia or Southern Eastern Asia, which are quite common nowadays among Europeans. Many people are moving here, and I think it's a really good start. So Singapore is a nice bridge to go farther. And in case of Latin America, you can go there through the ex-colonies of European countries, so the territories which are dependent of France, like French Guiana for example, or the Netherlands, which still have some islands next to the South America, and thanks to it you can just get there. In case of the European countries, you can stay there up to 6 months in these countries and get a lot of things thanks to this program, which also gives you kind of the purpose to go. And in case of Singapore, since it's not the part of European Union, these countries you are allowed to go there for 3 months. So among Singapore there is also United Kingdom, Canada and United States of America. For sure you have to match with the companies which align with your goals and with who you can cooperate. I don't think it's very hard to get for this program. You have to prepare the business plan, explain what you could gain thanks to the program, and also bring the value to the companies. In our case, accept mentoring from their side. Also they are like sharing with their networks here, meeting us with their business partners. But also you have to give the value.
Since I am a filmmaker, I was able to provide to the company video creation and multimedia support. Check out the video that was made during the program above. And you can think about what you could offer to the host entrepreneur. The company I cooperated with was
Fintech Nature Startup. Yeah, and now I'm still in Singapore. Yeah, it's a really cool place. EYE is a cross-national program which connects
new or inspiring entrepreneurs with experienced hosts abroad. In return, the European Union provides financial support, usually higher than typical study grants, to help cover living and travel costs while you collaborate with a real business. The exact amount depends on the country where you stay. You can take part in it not only European Union, but also outside of Europe. You can go to Asia, the Pacific, South or the North America and still receive funding. It's quite easy, but not so many people have heard of it. Who qualifies as a new entrepreneur? Anyone who is planning to start a business or whose company is under 3 years old. You also need to be a permanent resident of European Union or other participating country. Where can you go and for how long? Standard exchanges last between 1 and 6 months, and you can even split them into weekly blocks. Global destinations like Singapore are under 3 months. Together with Canada, the UK and the United States are fully integrated into the matching system. Now about the funding. In Singapore, the current lump sum is 1,150 euro per month. This is paid for the time you spend working with your host. It's meant to cover part of your living and travel expenses. It won't cover everything in a high-cost city, but it's a powerful boost. Paperwork. You and your host sign a commitment and agreement with the local contact point. At the end, both of you have to submit an online final report. Start by creating a profile on the official EYE portal. choose your local contact point and select the intermediary organization. They will guide you through the process and become your paying contact. Upload your business plan and your learning objectives for the exchange and keep them practical, clear and focus on the host. Next, find a host that matches your market and skill gaps. You can use the host catalog or contact a company you already know. Together with your host, create a work plan, specify responsibilities, and then sign the commitment and agreement. Work through your milestones and keep short written updates. And if you have been running a business for more than 3 years in the EU, Singapore, Canada, the United States, or the UK, there is a value for you as well. You can join the program as a host entrepreneur.